Papahiram ko sa iyo ang aking dalawang mata para malaman mo kung paano kita nakikita. Maging ang puso ko kapalit ang nasa sa'yo para maramdaman at mabura ang mga agam-agam na hindi kailangan. Hindi man kaaya-aya ang ngayon. Lahat ng bagay mayroong rason. Dahilan hindi mo man maintindihan. Ang langit pwede mong matakbuhan, sumandal sa pagmamahal.
Ang pag-ibig ko ay di bulag.
To the perfectly imperfect woman who completes my life. This Mother's Day, I want to honor not only my mother, but also the mother of my children, my partner, and my wife. You are not perfect. I am not perfect too. But God, in His great mercy, brought two imperfect souls together. Not to display our flaws, but to showcase His redeeming power, His grace, and His love. We are proof that God can build something beautiful, even from brokenness. We are different in many ways, but we are partners in the same purpose. You strengthen where I am weak. You give when I run dry. You endure when I want to escape. You love even when it's hard. Together, we raised our children. But let it be known, you were their first teacher. You taught them not just how to live, but how to love. You were the soft voice that soothed them, the firm voice that guided them, the faithful presence that never gave up on them. You are the perfect, imperfect mom God chose for our family. Proverbs 31 says, "She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. Her children arise and call her blessed, and her husband also, and he praises her." Today, I rise and call you blessed. I praise you, not because you've done everything right, but because you've never stopped loving, trying, growing, and believing. You are the woman God knew I needed. You are the blessing I didn't always know how to pray for, but He gave me you. You are the grace I see every morning beside me. You're my wife, my Proverbs 31 woman, perfectly imperfect, deeply loved, and eternally treasured. Happy Mother's Day, bossing. My love.
Papahiram ko sa iyo ang aking dalawang mata para malaman mo kung paano kita nakikita. Maging ang puso ko kapalit ng nasa sa'yo para maramdaman nilalamay. Pumurahin natin sa'yo para maramdaman nilalaman buburahin natin ay ang mga di kailangan papalitan natin ay kahulugan ng buhay buburahin natin ay ang mga di kailangan papalitan natin ay kahulugan ng buhay.
Kahulugan ng buhay. Papahiram ko sa iyo ang aking dalawang mata